So today's gift idea is going to be these embroidered dish towels. They're pretty easy to put together. It takes a little bit of time, but I just watched a movie and hand stitched these out, and then you can give them out as handmade gifts. So I got this 4-pack of towels from IKEA last year, and I couldn't find them in stock this year, but Target does have these kitchen towels, and they're like a very similar shade of green. So I got a few packs of those, and then I got a small embroidery hoop, various needle sizes, and probably went a bit overboard. I got some embroidery floss and a few different thick threads to try out. So then I'm just gonna draw out the design where I want it, and then I will put the embroidery hoop around it and start stitching. So I have my embroidery floss in my needle, and I watched a bunch of different tutorials for different types of stitches, and I'm not going to be teaching you those, but you can watch to figure out which ones you want to use on yours.